Is there a portable way to get the current username in Python? What is a portable way, for example for Linux and Windows, to get the current user's username? Something similar to os.getAd would be nice. The pwd module works for Unix only. Some people suggest that getting the username under Windows can be complicated in certain circumstances, for example, running as a Windows service.
Look at GetPass module. Availability, Unix, Windows. PS per comment below, this function looks at the values of various environment variables to determine the username. Therefore, this function should not be relied on for access control purposes, or possibly any other purpose, since it allows any user to impersonate any other.
Combine os.getAd with pwd.getVoid. See pwd docs for more details.
You can also use
Windows, Linux, both. Note that environment variables can be modified by the user, so this is a potential security vulnerability. With this method, an attacker can easily fake their username.
These might work. I don't know how they behave when running as a service. They aren't portable, but that's what os.name and if statements are for. See this URL.
If you want his board account, please consider subscribing.